Right, this is the view from our Mbure, our villa. It's high tide at the moment, so another evening at Tokoriki Sheraton Resort. And this is all the villas. Another one have any side and go another one? It's a family villa. This side, eh? It's a family villa. And the other side is what? Honeymoon villa. It's adults only. So this is all the villas. It's really nice. All the villas there. Nice and clean. All the villas. Everybody's getting ready to going for dinner. Dinner at the restaurants is from 6 p.m. This is all the villa, all the family villas. Yeah. You can see it's all beachfront and ocean view. So we are going to an Indian restaurant tonight. Gonna have yeah. Tokoriki Sheraton. And this is where the pool is. Wengo Sheraton Tokoriki. Chiko ngona inam dobir na yani anu na Tokoriki na dam ngona island. So na dana chiko na Tokoriki Island. Chukina Rona Resort. Ndo na Tokoriki Sheraton. Ndo na Tokoriki Island Resort. Orto sangi renovate ki chiko nga na 2 weeks ago ava ka chiko binaka sabsa binaka ngona pool area pool area ngo watakena kids pool area this side. Resort so lebutoka kitola kamiki and dona bikila. So if you know somebody who's working here, you can get a very good a discount, like half the price of what the tourists pay. In a local rate mandanga so lebutali chukanga. Oh. Nikuwa kata-kata sartunga na singa Tokoriki Island. It was very hot. Machinga ngongo sabaka tempat tatan.
Spicy shrimp.
Nanu kata-kata na singa kata-kata nambun. Na room ke there ba aircon. There's a tennis court. Tabatal na spa chukumi there. Spa. Is there sauna? No.
Maybe in the spa.
Yeah. Yeah. Lovely sunset. Where's the sunset? Not yet.
It's coming now. The skies. You can't really see it on camera.
No? Yeah. Ngongai Tokoriki Sheraton Resort. Yeah, one of the resort on Tokoriki Island. On the Mamanuda Islands. Gosh. Pamandanga sige matay ni ngono mola kumikina na Mamanuca Islands. They're so nice. White sandy beaches. Dano no mga na nukubula-bula nga melaw. Yan na punong ko sambore rebi na kantina. Orto sange renovate kichunga na 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, ko saru tame sababi nakar all the facilities are really good, isn't it? Na valivo kalele binaka na walk-in showers. Walk-in showers. Aya ambulo binaka mensa kan binaka na ambu. Kam mida. Bata binaka. Oyo lesu na dan.
Where's the cook? On my way. What's the matter?
Saya ngai kono ya tu garia. Sole ngai ni be sang mananga nindo na minute nungu sang undu bakete. Okay. Yeah, Tokoriki ngona Indian restaurant ketu chiku kinango. Indian restaurant, dona restaurant tala chuki sanando ya kovaka mainly English food and Fijian food. Na breakfast matakalila MB nakakana. Variety, your Fijian breakfast, get you English, full English breakfast.
Lots of pastries.
Pastries, nano kitu kana babakaw. Nikua na loloban, na stir fry vegetable with rice. Get you nga korna bacon. Yeah, there's a lot of options here. Malak no 2 menus. Yeah. I think the only problem here is sangani wheelchair accessible. Yeah. So if you're bringing, it's not good for somebody who's using wheelchair or has mobility problems, because you have to come in the boat, and then you in the South Sea Cruises boat, and then transfer from the boat to here. Acha sange kamba talmendo na kamba. What do you want? Yeah. Esa malo neori. Yeah. Video nga maybe bukitu kendo ngande mai. Mala karna staff iki sanda maybe kila isa katal tu kenda bubalebat. Isa. Naka kita juga ngona restaurant warokana pinakabale wanasema mai Tokoriki Island Resort ngango malo vale wanasema chikomai ni mode toka